Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your project on CapCut PC with someone else. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you will be done with your editing of your project and you want to just go ahead and share it, instead of clicking on export at the top, you want to go ahead and click on share option. And from here, you will see your size of your video and duration. You can go ahead and name it. Then you can choose a space or create a new space. Um, then you're going to choose a resolution, format, and frame rate. So 30 FPS would be the best. And after you will click export and share, this video will be exported. And now all you have to do is go ahead and share this link. So anyone can open the link, and if you would click space, only members of the space can open the link. Then you're gonna copy it and share it with someone else. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.